Good afternoon, students. So we are going to discuss about case study regarding CRM, how they are implementing in banking sector for reducing the credit risk. So in our last class we have discussed about the CRM, how it is accepting the customers, how they are motivating the customers to implement. So அதே CRM ல எப்படி நமக்கு credit risk manage பண்றதுக்கு design thinking மூலமா நாம implement பண்ண போறோம். சரிங்களா? So now we are going to say, for example, XYZ is a bank. They are going to collect the data from the customer. So the customers are willing to get a loan from that particular XYZ bank. But the bank does not know how they are going to identify the customer's status and what is the profile of the particular customer. So for that purpose, they are implementing CRM. How they are going to implement with the help of 5 stages. Can you see what are the 5 stages of design thinking? Yes, get up and say.
Empathize, define, ideate, prototype, test.
Yes. So we have 5 stages of design thinking. What she told: empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and testing. So for this case study, we are going to identify each stage. So what is the meaning of empathize? So first we are going to identify the customers and we are going to analyze the customer. What are the risks they are facing? So before getting a loan, immediately they are approaching the bank for getting a loan. So the bank does not provide any loan immediately. They will empathize the customer. How they will empathize the customer? So what are the key factors we can say? What are the key factors to empathize that particular customer? Anybody can say?
It's immediate credit history, high debit to income ratio, irregular industry specific risk.
So each and every banks are identifying what is the individual person's status, they are how many credit already they have got, what is the income status of them. So after collecting this stage, empathizing the particular customer, we are defining the particular customer. How we will define? So after empathizing it, we are going to fix one key factors. Can you say what are the key impact of that particular person? Key indicators. So the key indicators are, so we are going to request to ask the particular customer what is your salary, where you are working, what is your salary income certificate, bring your salary income certificate. So based on that key factors, we are going to define that particular customer. After defining, the third stage is ideate. So the customer is submitting all the proof regarding salary income certificate, the working place ID card. So what are the documents we are requiring, the person is submitting. So after submitting, we are moving to ideate stage. The ideate stage, the CRM is going to reduce our risk. Can you see how they are going to reduce the risk? What are the steps they are going to reduce the risk? In ideate stage, they are going to analyze the credit risk. What are the factors they are going to use?
Real-time monitoring of customers' accounts and transactions, automated alert on high-risk customers, personalized education and support for high-risk customers, collaborate workflow between critical risk and relationship managing and risk release.
Yes. So they are going to analyze before giving loan. They are going to predict the customer. How they will analyze? So they will visit the nearest home. What is the background of that particular person? Whether really they are going to work, they are earning, whether they are staying in own house or rented house. Everything they will predict in ideate stage. After ideating stage, they are going to give a prototype. So what prototype they will give? So in the prototype, they submit the report. The particular person, those who are visiting to the particular house, they will give a report to the manager of the particular bank. So this person is really working. He or she is working in a particular organization. Clearly they are staying in own house. Their credit is okay around the particular place. After prototype testing, finally, what they are going to do is they are going to test. How they will test? So they will test that keeping that particular person as a small group of people. So by that small group of people, they use that particular customers and users to identify that particular person as a test whether they are really working. After that, they get the feedback about that particular person. So how they will get? If the feedback is very positive, the bank will approve that particular loan to that particular person. You have any suggestion regarding that? Can you say? Anyone can any suggestion? Yes. So credit risk to the particular bank. Why they can reduce? So if the banks are providing loan without any proof or without any identification, nowadays the bank is facing more debt in that particular bank. So they are facing more loss, not performing asset எதுமே இல்லாம இருக்காங்க. So the credit risk குறைக்கணும் அப்படினா they need to justify all the customers regarding using this 5 stages. It will be